Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can delete short videos from your YouTube. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and write comments after watching our video. So, let's get started. And if you have short videos on your YouTube channel, or as they are called shorts, they look like this. And if you want to delete them, I'll show you a way to do it quickly. To do that, open up YouTube, then go to your page. Then under your name, click View Channel. Next, select Video Management. And here you'll need to select, of course, the section called Shorts or Short Video. Here you will have a list of short videos that you have put up in your channel. I don't have any of those, unfortunately. But in order for you to delete your videos, you'll need to click on the three dots on the right-hand side. Click on the three dots, and you'll see a little menu from which you'll select Delete. Then once again confirm your actions. Just by clicking Delete again, thus the short video or shorts will be deleted from your YouTube channel. Friends, I really hope this video clip helped you. You have seen how you can quickly and easily delete short videos from your YouTube. Please, friends, subscribe to the channel, write comments, be sure to put your likes, and see you soon.